Hey guys, today we're going to talk about real estate and successions. We've had a lot of questions about successions and how they pertain to real estate transactions. How do you convey clear title when someone has passed away, and things you need to do to transfer that property so you can sell it. I'm Drost. I'm an attorney and partner here with Drost Law Firm, Lake Charles Title Company. What is a succession? Succession in Louisiana is just the transfer of the property of the deceased to their proper heirs. To quote Johnny Depp, dead men tell no tales, so you have to properly divest their property either via a will, or if there is no will, you have to go by what the Louisiana law states. If you died with a will can supersede whatever the law says. So if you want to leave all your possessions to your dog, you can do so via a will. Now, if you die without a will, you have to go strictly by what the law states. So that's why we always encourage all of our clients to have a proper last will and testament in place. So there's lots of different ways to do the succession. If the heirs are fighting and or can't get along, you can appoint someone what's called the administrator and or the executor of the estate, giving that person sole authority to operate for the deceased party. They can then go and sell the property on behalf of the estate, and then it's their job as the executor to divvy out the funds to all the heirs. Every person that has passed away in Louisiana has to have a succession filed. The heirs have the choice of filing two different types of successions. You can file a normal succession, or you can file what's called a small succession affidavit. That's a much simpler form, and that has to do with the assets of the estate are $125,000 or less. All you have to do is have two parties sign off saying that they knew and or were heirs of the deceased party and file it with the court, and that small succession is complete. Drost Law Firm and Lake Charles Title have been around for over 40 years. My father, Skipper Drost, founded the companies back in the early 80s when he moved back to the Lake Charles area from law school. He's been working in the areas of real estate, corporate law, and succession law for over 40 years. I've joined him here recently in the last 3 or 4 years and look forward to continuing his tradition of serving Southwest Louisiana in all real estate and corporate needs. I want to thank Mary and Remax One for having me today. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. Remember, Lake Charles Title, your real estate 411.